To install the roof light bar mount kit, harness, and light bar on your RZR Pro S, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. If equipped, remove the front tweeter speakers by removing the 2 screws from the A-pillar cover. Now, remove the tweeter hooks from the A-pillar cover and disconnect the tweeter from the vehicle. After this, set the tweeter speaker aside. Next, move the A-pillar cover up to the ROPS tube. Then, remove 2 screws from the center hood to remove the center hood panel from the vehicle. Next, open the center dash storage lid to remove and retain the 2 screws. Now, disconnect the USB port wiring and lift the center storage out of the dash. After this, remove the dash by removing and keeping 2 screws from the center dash. Then, remove and keep the screw from the dash side panel. Repeat on the other side. Next, open the glove compartment by lifting it upward and remove and keep 4 screws from the interior of the glove compartment. Now, remove the center control panel. Pull on the top and bottom edges to disengage the 4 mounting tabs. Then, pull the dash panel out and up to remove from the vehicle. To install the light bar harness, begin by putting the light bar harness in the accessory mounting tray. Next, install the fuse relay to the accessory mounting tray with 1 push pin. Then, remove the plug from the Polaris pulse bar and install the connector. Now, install the harness along the firewall towards the driver's side with 3 attached edge clips. Then, remove a blank switch plate. Continue by putting the switch connectors through the bottom of the accessory mounting tray and towards the dashboard switch opening. After this, install the rocker switch to the switch connector. Then, install the switch into the dashboard and press until it snaps into place. Install the excess harness to the electrical chassis harness with attached cable tie. To install the light bar mount, loosely install the left light bar mount to the light bar with 1 washer and nut included with the light bar. Do not route the light bar harness through the light bar mount at this time. Next, loosely install the right light bar mount to the light bar with 1 washer and nut included with the light bar. Then, remove the template page located at the end of the written instructions. Now, locate the reference dimensions on the template page. Verify the reference dimension is exact and the template was properly printed to scale. If reference dimension is not exact, reprint template page from the electronic file. Adjust print setting to actual size to obtain 1:1 scale. Electronic file is available from your authorized Polaris dealer. After this, attach the left-hand and right-hand template included in the kit instructions to the bottom of the left and right light bar mount using double-sided tape. Then, remove the roof accessory per instructions included with the accessory roof kit. Then, put the light bar assembly on the roof. Make sure it is centered and measures 5.5 inches or 140 millimeters from the front edge. Continue by removing the templates from the bottom of the light bar mounts and attach to the roof using tape. Next, mark drill locations on the roof according to the templates. Now, drill holes in the previously marked holes in the roof according to the listed measurements. After this, remove the nut and washer from the left light bar mount. Then, route the wiring harness through the left light bar mount and out the bottom. Next, route the harness through the grommet. Continue by installing the rubber grommet into the bottom of the light bar mount. Now, loosely install the left light bar mount to the light bar using one nut and one washer. After this, install the light bar assembly to the roof using 4 screws and 4 washers. The light bar harness will route through the larger of the previously drilled holes on the left side of the roof. Torque screws to specification. Then install the accessory roof to the vehicle per instructions provided with the accessory roof kit. Using fish tape, route the light bar harness through the opening in the ROPS tube on the upper left side of the vehicle. Next, route the light bar harness down the ROPS tube towards the front of the vehicle. After this, connect the light bar harness to the light bar harness kit connectors in the dash area. Then, install the grommet at the opening in the ROPS tube on the upper left side of the vehicle. Next, turn the vehicle on and verify the light bar operates properly. Push the switch to turn the light bar on and off. Now, adjust the aim of the light bar to the desired location and tighten the nuts to specification. To reinstall the dash, place the dash to the vehicle frame by pushing forward and down to engage the tabs on the underside of the panel. Then, align the mounting tabs at the top and bottom of the center audio panel and push the panel into place. Next, loosely install the 4 cap screws to the inside of the glove compartment. Torque to specification. Then, close the glove compartment. After this, loosely install the cap screw to the inner dash. Repeat on the other side. Then, loosely install 2 cap screws in the top of the dash panel. Torque all screws to specification. Now, put the USB cord through the grommet and install the dash compartment by pushing down and forward. Install 2 screws to the center dash compartment and torque to specification. Then, close the storage bin. If equipped with tweeter speakers, connect the tweeter to the vehicle audio harness through the dash hole. Continue by moving the A-pillar cover down the ROPS tube. Now, install the tweeter hooks into the A-pillar cover holes. After this, install the A-pillar cover to the vehicle with 2 screws. Next, install 2 screws to the center hood panel and torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.